friends. Looking at the present scenario where there is a lot of fear in the collective consciousness, let me bring in some fun. Life is not meant to be serious all the time. We deserve to have fun. So before we begin, for all those who are joining me for the first time, I'm Laila Ahmed, an intuitive trainer, author and a therapist. Few days back, I conducted a Zoom session for a senior citizen group on positive thinking, and I realized that most of them are living a serious life with so much fear in their heart. And I questioned myself, is life meant to be lived so seriously, or is there a way out? I looked into my life and was checking, am I living a serious life? You can also ask yourself the same question, and if you are living a life like that, then this video is for you. Watch till the end and you will have some fun in your life. Most grown-up would give you advice. Be serious, save money for the future. Today's time is bad. I'm not going to give you such gnan, such words of wisdom. I'm saying, be like a child. बच्चे बन जाओ, बिचारे नहीं. अगर आज आप बच्चे बनते हो, then trust me, you will never become old. And this is a truth. I still love to play video games and watch cartoons. This way I am balancing myself. You can remain happy and peaceful no matter what is going on in the environment. But yes, do stop watching toxic news because that is creating a lot of fear in your life. Allow your inner child to play free of calculations without forcing on results, to just be in the moment. Speak your needs without fear of judgment and let your inner child guide your action. Have some fun, splash in puddles, jump on the bed, or maybe watch your favorite cartoon. What one loves in childhood stays in the heart forever. I used to play Tetris, Mario and many such games with my son, and today also we play together and it's so much fun. To relax myself, I still play Ludo and Free Flow on mobile, and it takes away my tension and I am on a higher frequency in no time. I play for a limited amount of time, as I know that all work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. The beauty of childhood always stays within us forever, but at times we hide it away. Once you are ready to find it, you will start enjoying your life. I remember the time I used to go out with my friends and we all used to enjoy life as children, no matter what our age. We used to take ride in Goda Gadi, horse cart, and it was such a fun. We would enjoy bushy dam with friends, having tea and corn, sitting in the flowing water. Wow! Even when I'm sharing this, all this wonderful, amazing feeling rush over me, and I'm sure when my friend will see this video, they would also feel joyful remembering those special moments. But the reason we are serious with our life and fearful is because the present moment affects us in such a real way that we feel only this is real, and we forget that we are the sum of all that what we once were. We are much more. We are years of dreams and experiences, joys and sorrows, love and sufferings. But when we keep our joy and wonder of childhood alive within our heart, even as grown-ups, we stay young in body and soul. The little girl who used to color and draw still is inside of me. The young lady who delivered sermons and talk still is part of who I am. We are a sum of our past, all our triumphs and successes, mistakes and failures. All we have been and done has gone into making us who we are. There is your past and there is still more future to come. Moreover, just as we are all connected to each other through our common humanity, we too are connected to our other selves. To enjoy life and release your seriousness, experience something you loved as a child. Make a list of things you loved as a child. While I'm talking about this, I'm reminded of the movie 102 Knockout, starring Amitabh Bachchan and Rishi Kapoor. Amitabh Bachchan as father is 102 years old who enjoys life in jovial and fun way. But his 75-year-old son Rishi Kapoor is complete opposite. Son believes that he is now too old and fragile to enjoy life. Amitabh was concerned and worried with his son's attitude towards life, and so he plans a strategy. He wanted to get rid of all the negative, unenthusiastic and boring elements surrounding him, and he threatens to send his son to an elderly care facility unless he achieves certain conditions. The conditions were to bring joy and happiness back in his son's life. Rishi finally begins to appreciate his father's outlook on life, and so now ask yourself, how has your childhood contributed to who you are? How does who you are now affects who will be in your near future? Can you go on an adventure with your inner child today? एक ही जिंदगी है, enjoy and जी लो जी भर के. किसी ने खूब कहा है, it is not the strongest of the species that survives, nor the most intelligent that survives. It is the one that is most adaptable to change. So are you ready to change? Have some fun in your life and open yourself to grace. If you have enjoyed this video, then share this with your family and friends, and do like and comment, as that helps my video to reach out. Let's together make a difference. Till we meet next, light and fragrance to all of you.